Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights now. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and set Devenger Show Non-Present Devices equals 1 so Windows will reveal hidden keyboard entries. This helps remove old drivers. Once done, run sfc/scano to validate core files, then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch healthy components. I tell you why. SFC fixes local corruptions, while dism restores missing system files from Windows Update. Both reduce soft. Once Device Manager is open, show non-present devices so you can find ghost keyboards and old HID entries. Remove them and check the option to delete driver software when present. Make sure to uninstall the exact device tied to your keyboard. Misidentifying can remove other HID devices. After uninstalling, use Action Scan for hardware changes or restart the PC to let Windows automatically detect the keyboard and pull a fresh driver. This forces a clean reinstall rather than patching corrupted drivers. Finish by rebooting at least once to allow drivers to settle, test the keyboard at Sign In, and, if needed, in BIOS to determine hardware versus OS issues. If Windows won't provide a working driver, add the driver manually via pnputl/add driver or run Windows Update to fetch a vendor package. Make sure to explain why. Manual install covers missing vendor drivers. If things still go wrong, use System Restore to roll back recent changes or attach a USB keyboard to continue troubleshooting. This tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.